to build a guinea pig cage. Just got a guinea pig for the kids, and we're going to build a cage. Went online and I looked at some other designs, and I just drew out my own right here, which maybe it's gonna look like that, and maybe it's not. We're just gonna build it as we go. Got the bottom part, so I'm building around this tray. This is the idea I got, that if I have this tray, I can do easy cleaning, and I can just lift it up with the bedding and all, take it outside, clean it. This will be the upper level right here, what you see over here, and I'm gonna design around there, maybe put up a little ladder or something. And I searched online, how tall should it be, and it said 12 inches on height, so they don't jump out or so, 12 inches or more. So that's what we're gonna do. The thing's a little baby, and we're gonna build it as we go. This is our guinea pig, and we're gonna build a cage for him. You guys could see him real quick. We've named him Biscuit. He was born in February. I think he's about 4 months old. He likes carrots, and he doesn't bite. He's a happy little guinea pig. Let's build him a cage. We got the first part of the cage done. Kids are coloring in. We put biscuits, and we drew a house because we ran out of room there. They're just gonna draw on it. I put some plastic here. I do have chicken wire, but I used this mesh. They said they're not gonna rip it. I think it looks a little nicer. We'll see how that goes. And I built his house around trays, so it's easy cleaning if you guys are gonna build one of these. This is gonna set right in there, so I took measurements around that. That's gonna sit inside of there, and it's gonna have a top layer where his food's gonna go, and I'm building that right now. That's going to be the upper layer. We'll probably have some kind of staircase or something. That's top piece is not mounted yet, and I'm just showing you guys how far we are. Put some holes on the side. I'm just making this as I go along. I'm probably going to go a little bit higher up here because that's only about 10 inches, and online it said 12 inches or more, so they don't jump out. The guinea pig over there, he's getting excited about his new home. Showing you guys where we're at right here. I put little holes in there just for style. And if you have the right tools, you guys can do anything, just so you know. So if this looks complicated for you guys, having the correct tools like a chop saw, nail gun. I mean, I've been going at this for about an hour, just so you know, hour and 10 minutes or so. So we're just building it. I heard that it was 12 inches that it needs to be. Bottom side, I told you guys about the trays we're going to use in here, like this. Just show you guys real quick. You'll see it at the end anyways. So that tray fits right in there, easy for cleaning, because anything he's going to get dirty is going to be at the bottom. And just showing you guys that, drops right in. When you want to clean him, think about that if you're going to build this. Try to make it easy for cleaning. Now, how is this guy going to get up here? We're going to have to make him a little ladder. Also, to remove the tray, we're going to have to make the ladder be able to be removed. So I have to think about that, and I'm building this as I go. Let's come up with something and engineer it. So I built a little ladder for him to get up, just to show you guys right here. And it goes up and down. Put some little hinges on there. Cut a little slant over here so it can come up and down. And also, so he can climb up. A little notch over here for the tray. Back up so you guys can see it. And that's about it. I'm just going to secure it. Maybe put some more support on the bottom over here. I don't got it really secured that good, but I'm going to secure it a little bit better. And we're pretty much ready to go. That's about it, and let's keep moving. The guinea pig cage done, and here he goes inside of the guinea pig cage. Put the trays in first, show me, because this is really about the guinea pig cage, how to build it.
Can I put this in here?
Yeah, you put that one in there. The reason that's there is easier to clean if you guys are going to build one of these. Just came up with this top of her head. That one's got hinges on it. Google, watch out for a second. Google, not yet, not yet. We're going to put the bedding in, Google. All right, put that down. Yep, slide it down. Is it all the way down? Push the tray up close. Yep, that's it.
Google.
Now put some bedding in there. Put some of the bedding on the bottom. He's going to like that.
He's climbing under it. He's going to come out.
It's okay. Put some in there.
Down here?
Yeah, go ahead. Dump it in. People are waiting. Don't drop it on the floor. You want to get it in there. Alright, that's good right there. Spread it around. Alright, put his food tray up top. I wonder if should we put bedding up there? We don't have to put bedding up there. He's only going to eat up there. So put his bowl in there. He's down here sniffing for something. That's going to be his house. Biscuit's house. So I built this with all scraps in my garage, but I do keep a lot more wood scraps than most people normally do. And I got this done in about maybe 2 hours, I think it took. If you were to buy something like this, it'd cost you maybe a couple $100, especially made with real wood. Everything pretty much set up, I think. We got the water bottle in place. I didn't use the spring that it came with because there's no way I could have hung it. So what I did is I put a Velcro on the back. right there.
Show
I put
up.
a little
Show
piece
up.
of wood. What, the guinea pig? Okay. There's your guinea pig. Big sucker. Watch out, Boo Boo. He might bite you if you do that. If he wants to get down, you gotta let him down. They put him a little bed over here, showing you guys what's going on. Who's that? His friend? That
No.
doesn't talk?
It's the stuff I got it when I got a special lunch with the principal once, and then she gave us little Humphreys.
Oh.
They're hamsters, but it looks like a guinea pig.
Okay, so that's about it. Just showing off the cage that we are done. All stuff from laid around the house, except we bought that for $7. Obviously, this was like 13 bucks. Everything else was scraps laying around the house or the garage, because your dad is a hoarder. All right, that's about it. Tell your dad to build you guys one of these. If your dad doesn't know how, tell your grandpa. Nice little cage. He's got it upstairs and downstairs. Hopefully you guys get inspired and build your own cage.
Bye.
Oh, whoa. Can he get out right there?
I
Look
don't
at that
know.
little notch. Might have to do something about that if it's too short.
What?
Just that little part where he can get out.
He's snuggling.
But thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. And, I mean, that's about 8 inches. Back up a little so I can show people. That's about 8 inches, and they said that about 12. But if I have that against the wall, it should be good unless he can walk over that way. We don't want that happening. So, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you, Humphrey.
And he might have a YouTube channel.
Maybe. Follow the YouTube channel. Keep looking back for Biscuit's Diary. Part
No.
1, Part 2, Part 3. We'll see if the kids want to dress him up.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
I saw